In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete property in Notion. If you've been working with Notion databases for a while, you've probably ended up with a few properties, or columns, that you just don't need anymore. Cleaning those up can make your workspace easier to read and a lot more efficient. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to safely delete a property using Notion's latest interface, and I'll point out a few small details to watch out for along the way. First, open the database where you want to delete a property. This could be a table, a board, a list, a timeline, or a gallery. It might be on your main page or tucked away in a subpage. Just navigate to the page that contains the database and make sure you can see it clearly on your screen. If you're using a view like board or gallery, remember, this is still a database under the hood, even if it doesn't look like a traditional spreadsheet. Next, you need to select the property you want to delete. There are two easy ways to do this. If you're in a table view, look along the top row where all your column headers are. Click directly on the header of the property you want to remove. That will open a drop-down menu with options for that specific property. If you're not in a table view, or if it's easier for you, you can also open any page within the database. When the page opens, look for the list of properties usually shown near the top. Find the property you want to delete and click on its name. This will also open the Property Settings menu. Once that menu is open, scroll to the bottom and look for the option that says Delete Property. Go ahead and click that. Notion will warn you that this action can't be undone because it will remove that property and all of its data from every entry in that database. That means if you've been storing information there, it will be permanently erased. To finish, confirm the deletion in the pop-up window by clicking Delete. After that, the property disappears from the database and from every page inside it. Take a moment to double-check your remaining properties and make sure everything looks the way you expect. That's all there is to it. By regularly removing unused properties, you'll keep your Notion databases clean, faster to scan, and much easier to maintain over time.